Hello. So far we've been looking at short-run situations and trying to figure out what quantity to produce for a particular firm in pure competition to maximize profits. What happens in the long run for a purely competitive firm? Well, if in the short run the firm incurs a profit, so here we see the firm producing at a price of $28. So the price or the marginal revenue is at $28, and you can see that the profit maximizing point would be here. We'd be producing at this quantity here, and the price is greater than the average total cost, so we actually have a profit there. But in the long run, the profit cannot be sustained. The reason is that this profit is an above normal profit. So it's an economic profit, it's a positive economic profit. And if there is an above normal profit for a firm in pure competition, it attracts other firms or firms from investors from other industries, and more and more venture capitalists want to enter this industry. So if the industry has 500 firms and all these firms are making a profit, above normal profit, then it's going to attract firms, and perhaps pretty soon, 6, 9, 12 months later, the industry might have 600 firms. Now what that does is the increase in the supply of the number of firms will lower the price. So the price is going to go from 28 to 27 and so forth, and eventually down to 25, where the price is exactly equal to the average total cost. So at that point, the price is $25, and we notice that now the profit maximizing point is here. MC is MR at that point, and the price of $25 is exactly equal to the average total cost. So that is where the firm now has a economic profit of 0, which is the equilibrium point. Keep in mind that the firm still has an accounting profit, so it still has a positive accounting profit. There is still cash flow, but it doesn't have an above normal economic profit. The opposite happens if the price is less than the average total cost. So let's say in a short run the firm has a price of, the industry has a price of $20, the firm is charging a price of $20, and as you can see, then the point where you maximize your profit is right here. The quantity, MC is MR, but the average total cost there is greater than the price. So this firm is incurring a loss, and that is also not sustainable in the long run. So in the long run, if purely competitive firms incur a loss, then of course these losing firms will have to exit the industry. And what happens then is that there will be less supply of the product, and as the supply decreases, as we know from Unit 2, the supply and demand theory, supply goes down, that means the price gradually goes up. And the price goes up until the losing firms disappear, and we have an equilibrium again at $25. So the equilibrium price in the long run, again, is where firms are charging a price of $25, which is where the price is exactly the same. Price is exactly the same as the average total cost. In other words, where there are 0 economic profits.